Yaklegom, kumol kinam lolok imrongajake, nan alba kin praditin etan Aejemjem. Thank you very much for visiting my Patreon page and taking a moment to find out a little bit more about my project. This past year, I have been working on making a small literary journal / magazine called Aejemjem. And after a year, we actually got a collection of short stories together, which is really exciting, and printed and everything. The first half is all in the Marshallese language. The second half is in English. Marshallese are actually known as the storytellers and speech makers of the Pacific. They have an incredibly rich and strong tradition of storytelling in their culture, but only in the past less than 100 years has their language been written down. So this kind of project is so important. The idea is that people will have the opportunity to tell their stories and publish their stories in a venue that other Marshallese people, wherever they are in the world, can read it. And by having interesting things to read and a reason to write, really what I wanted to do when I wrote this is that there would be books in Marshallese. And there are lots of ways that you can help. You can subscribe to the magazine. The idea is we'll be able to publish 2 to 4 a year. If you subscribe here on Patreon, $10 a book. Anytime we have a book, it'll be charged to your card, and I'll send you a copy. You can also just contribute. I have postcards or a thank you on the website. You can also share your stories in English, or I very much hope Marshallese. If you share it in Marshallese, it'll probably end up in the book. So please, thank you for your support and your time, and I hope you enjoy the stories.